11 car resets that will save you thousands of dollars. Your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Check engine, ABS, airbag, and more. Or maybe the transmission slams into gear, your car stumbles at idle, or refuses to start at all. The mechanic wants hundreds of dollars just for a diagnosis, but here is what they do not tell you. Most of these problems are not catastrophic. Often your car's computers are just confused, and a simple reset can bring your vehicle back to life. Stick with me as I reveal 11 powerful car reset tricks, all doable in your driveway for free. Do not miss the last one. It is a secret that even most mechanics do not want you to know about. Trick number 11. Key fob and immobilizer reset. You hop in, twist the key, and nothing happens. The security light flashes, but the engine will not crank. Most people panic, but it is often a simple sync issue between your key fob and your car's immobilizer, common after a weak battery or key replacement. Here is how to fix it. Insert the key and turn it to on, but do not start the car. Leave it for 10 minutes until the security light stops blinking. Turn it off and wait at least 10 seconds. Repeat this whole cycle 3 times. On the last try, start the car. If it was just a sync issue, your engine will fire up and the light will go out. It is like giving your key and car a fresh handshake. Trick number 10. ECU hard reset. Out of nowhere, your check engine light pops up, the car goes into limp mode, or gears won't shift right. But often the culprit is not a broken part. It is the ECU, the engine control unit, overloaded with bad data. Over time, it stores adjustments for fuel, idle, and shifting. Bad fuel, a weak battery, or a sensor hiccup can send it off course. To reset, disconnect both battery cables, touch the cable ends together for half a minute, then reconnect them. Start the car and let it idle for 10 minutes. This clears the memory and forces the ECU to relearn. Most drivers see the warning light vanish, better fuel economy, and smoother running right away. Trick number 9. Battery management system reset. You have just installed a new battery, but now your stop-start system does not work. Voltages seem off, or dash warnings appear. Modern cars talk to their batteries with a battery management system that tracks the battery's age and health. If you do not tell the car you swapped the battery, the car's computer will still think the battery is old. To reset, with the ignition on, press and hold the brake. Press the accelerator fully and hold it for 10 seconds, then release. Turn the ignition off, then start the car and let it idle for a few minutes. Now, the battery system knows there is a fresh battery, so charging and starting should be back to normal. Trick number 8. Transmission reset. If your automatic car shifts harshly, hesitates, or seems confused, there is a good chance the transmission computer has learned some bad habits. After a dead battery, or years of stop-and-go driving, it can forget what smooth feels like. To fix it, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, hold the brake, then gently shift through every gear, pausing at each. Leave the selector in drive for about half a minute, then return to park. Start your car, drive gently, and let it relearn for 10 minutes. After this, most cars shift far smoother, without hesitation or clunky changes. Trick number 7. ABS light reset. The ABS light scares most drivers, but often it's just a temporary electronic hiccup, like low brake fluid, a weak battery, or a piece of debris at a wheel sensor. To reset, turn off the ignition, pull the ABS fuse from the fuse box, wait 15 minutes, then reinstall the fuse. Start the car and drive slowly for a short distance. If the cause was just a glitch, the light will clear on its own, saving you a needless trip to the shop. Trick number 6. Airbag light reset. Nothing is more instantly worrying than the airbag light staying on. Usually it is not a real safety problem. It is often a weak battery, a seat sensor becoming unplugged, or a minor electrical hiccup. To reset most airbag lights, turn the key to on and watch for the light to come on. The moment it turns off, turn the key back to off. Repeat this 3 or 4 times, then try starting the car. If it was just a glitch, the light goes out and your system is ready if ever needed. Trick number 5. Idle air control reset. A rough, shaky or surging idle at stoplights points to your idle air control being out of sync, maybe after a battery disconnect, throttle cleaning, or computer confusion. To reset, start the car with the radio, the air conditioning, and the lights off. Let it idle for 5 minutes. Then switch on the air conditioning and the headlights for 5 minutes. Turn everything off and drive for a few minutes. This helps the engine control unit relearn how much air the engine needs at idle, fixing a shaky or wandering idle speed. Trick number 4. MAF sensor reset. If your car idles rough, stumbles on acceleration, or burns more fuel than usual, a dirty or out-of-sync mass airflow sensor could be the cause. It sits right after your air filter and tells the computer how much air is coming in. To reset and clean, disconnect the negative battery cable for 15 minutes. Remove the sensor. Spray it with MAF cleaner. Do not touch the sensing elements. Let it dry completely. Reinstall the sensor and reconnect the battery. Then let the engine idle so the computer relearns. Most drivers notice a smoother idle, better mileage, and improved pickup. Trick number 3. Throttle position sensor reset. If your car hesitates when you press the gas pedal or jumps forward in jerky bursts, the throttle position sensor probably needs a reset. To reset it, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way down, hold it there, then release. Turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, then start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. This retrains the sensor to recognize the full pedal movement and will instantly improve throttle response. Trick number 2. Fuel trim reset. Noticed your car feels sluggish or you are filling up more often without changing how you drive. The engine computer could be stuck on old fuel trim values from a clogged air filter, weak gas, or sensor issues. To reset, disconnect the negative battery cable for 30 minutes, then reconnect it. Let the car idle for a few minutes, then drive at various speeds. Most drivers see better miles per gallon, snappier acceleration, and restored performance. Trick number 1. Power steering reset. Electric power steering can feel stiff, heavy, or inconsistent after a battery job or a jump start. If your car suddenly steers like a bus, try this. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Turn the steering wheel fully left and hold for 5 seconds, then turn it fully right and hold for 5 seconds. Return the wheel to center and then start the engine. Your steering usually goes back to normal. It will feel light at low speeds, firmer at highway speeds, and consistently smooth. And there you have it, 11 car resets that can save you from pointless repairs and keep your ride running smoothly, all without spending a penny. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor. Tap that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below to share which reset worked for you. Want more secret car tricks? Check out the next video, where we will show you how to make your engine run like new.